Hi, I'm Matt Malloy. I run our automation program over here at EWI. We help small manufacturers figure out automation. A common misconception about automation is that it's expensive. Small manufacturers often think it's expensive and too complex for them to implement. The truth is, the long-term cost savings and efficiency far outweigh that initial investment. Plus, the cost of robotics has gone down dramatically over the years, making it much more approachable for small manufacturers. The current project we worked on was for an automated polishing process. Up until now, this company's operators would polish parts for long periods of time each day. Now the operator can put the part on the system, hit go, and move on to more interesting tasks. Cobot-based automation systems tend to be less expensive than traditional robot systems. While the cobot itself might be just as expensive as the robot, when you look at the big picture, it's less expensive. That's really because of the smaller cell design, easier programming, and simpler implementation process. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which typically require safety fences or elaborate safety protective measures, collaborative robots are designed out of the gate to be safe to work around humans. So what this means is, for some applications, if they're done right, you might be able to eliminate a lot of the safety infrastructure you would typically need. One of the biggest benefits of cobots is that they're really easy to program. They're designed so that small manufacturers can pick up a teach pendant without any previous background and start to program these systems for their applications. While investment in a collaborative robot system may still seem high, the efficiency and productivity gains far outweigh that investment. Cobots can run all the time, they can run continuously, giving you more consistent production and higher quality processes. There's a lot of collaborative robot manufacturers out there, and nowadays some of them are even offering financing or leasing options to help small manufacturers